guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the CLOT SACAI Nike LD Waffle. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we weren't able to do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got the second batch of SACAI's collaborations with other Asian designers. So we have done the SACAI Fragment collab. Check that out. That's one of my favorite sneakers of this year, 2021. In my opinion, sneaker of the year. Today we've got a look at the second batch, as I mentioned, and that is the collaboration between SACAI, Nike, and CLOT. So CLOT, for those that don't know, are a Hong Kong-based streetwear brand founded by Edison Chen. Was an actor and he's big in the streetwear name, and they've done tons of Nike collabs and a recent Jordan collab. And what better way to round that off with a great collaboration between SACAI and this superb silhouette. So today we've got a look at the Nike LD Waffle SC in net orange, blaze deep red, and we got it in a UK size 8, it's a European 42.5, and it's a US size 9. And as always, as all Nike SACAI LDV waffles, they come in this pull-out orange box. There you go. Just give you a quick look at the box. So if you can't really tell, you can barely see it from here probably, but there is CLOT branding that's on the paper around. And here they are. So let's start with the outsole, and this outsole is an all rubber outsole. As always with all LDV waffles and a lot of original Nikes, you've got that waffle patterning here. Great in the scum sole colorway. Looking at the midsole unit, so just want to mention about the color blocking. So this color blocking in particular, this silhouette of the Nike SACAI LDV waffle with collaboration with CLOT is very reminiscent of the CLOT Air Max 1 Kiss of Deaths or KODs, and it's the same color blocking. You've got the orange there, the red, and you can barely see it but because there's paper underneath, but it's translucent upper here. We'll get into the more nitty gritty in a bit, but as always with a lot of Nike SACAI LDV waffles, this CLOT version, as always, has two midsoles. So as I mentioned with that color blocking, you've got a nice red here, and the orange is that extended, elongated midsole there. Going along onto the upper, so as I've touched upon, you can see the see-through. And even though the see-through aspect of the LDV waffle was more reminiscent, it's more notable on a lot of the SACAI, the original colorways, and it wasn't found on the Fragment ones, but CLOT was kind of the first ones to do it because the Air Max 1 Kiss of Death and a lot of CLOT collabs have a translucent upper so you can see it. And in a FSR interview with, I forgot the name of the complex program, but Edison Chen was there, and he mentioned that they're see-through because, like a lot of Asian culture, they wear sandals. So the aspect is there to see your feet, really. So looking at that, so as I mentioned, you've got that translucent fabric. At the mudguard area, it is suede paneling. As always with a lot of the Nike SACAIs, this CLOT version has a double swoosh here. You can see the double heel counter there as well. Again, it's very reminiscent of that Kiss of Death, so you got a very prominent orange, and it's got a nice snakeskin here on the swoosh, and just below you got a Nike red swoosh as well. Looking at the tongue, so as I mentioned, you have double everything when it comes to Nike SACAIs. So you got double the lacing, and it comes in this beige and orange. You got another choice, put some red laces here. 2 tongues, so you've got the Nike here, and just behind it you've got the Nike SACAI. And what's really cool is instead of the C, you've got the CLOT logo that's decorated there. Looking at the heel unit, so this heel counter, you got 2 leather suede paneling to show and enforce that this is really 2 sneakers combined into one. You got the LDV and the waffle, that's the 2 sneakers that make up the sneaker. And it's just like the tongue there, you got the Nike SACAI branding lettering here with the C, the CLOT C, and it's the same on the insole as well. So that rounds up my review. Really dope collaboration between Nike, SACAI and CLOT. CLOT have knocked out of the park. I mean, this isn't personally my favorite one. Again, I'm just gonna give you a little like preview. My favorite of the all 3 collabs between SACAI Fragment and SACAI CLOT and SACAI Undercover is the Fragment one. And again, check out that video. You'll understand why it's my favorite out of the collection. This is the first drop of 2 colorways. So I believe the second one is a beige and navy one. Yeah, there was a picture of them, but I want to be totally sure. I'm pretty sure they're on the navy one. We'll see if we can get a pair to review. If we do, then that's great. If not, guys can make do with this CLOT. I mean, this is the OG colorway. Well, it's the CLOT branding colorway. And you know, I'll round it off. This is a really dope sneaker. Show you what these are unlike and roll that footage on me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend you get your true to size UK Nike size fit, because these are a size 8, these are half a size bigger. You can see, as I mentioned, the translucency of the sneakers. So you can see there's a significant gap there, and you can see where my toes are. I mean, if I wear a bit thick socks, it'll be all right, but I'd rather that they fit, and it's a bit embarrassing if you can see the gap on shoes that don't fit you, especially when it's so prominent, like here on the SACAI. Great colorway nonetheless. Just check it out there, really nice, very vibrant, we like that. And I'll try and get my size, I'll somehow find it, do a little swapsies or something. If not, I'll try and get the other colorway of the CLOTs, hopefully the blue ones. But yeah, if you're wondering what joggers I'm wearing the Nike cargo track pant. You can get this from your Nike retailer. I got this from Nike.com. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.